Okay, so today let's start with chapter 1 introduction. So what is statistics? Okay, statistics actually you have two types. The first one will be descriptive statistics, another one will be inferential statistics. Now, what is descriptive statistics? Now, when the questions for these topics, they have a few things that you need to take care of. Okay, so the first one, you may need to know what is the explanation. Okay, how to define it or how to explain it. Another one will be true and false together with the structure questions. Okay, this is how actually the questions been done. Okay, now back to the story here. Okay, type of statistics. Okay, what is descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics is to describe the data. Okay, I already highlight here. Okay, it's actually describe the data. Okay, so how do you describe the data then? Okay, first of all, you may need to collect. Okay, after collect, you will need to organize the data involved. Okay, so from the organization, so what you're supposed to do, you will need to analyze. After analyze, okay, you may need to present or interpret the data in the graph, chart, or whatever it is. Okay, that is presented or presentable. Okay, so overall, this is called how you're supposed to describe the data. Okay, and type of statistics involved will be descriptive statistics. Okay, lastly will be inferential statistics. Inferential statistics actually is for you to draw an conclusion. Okay, so very straightforward. Okay, now next. On the data involved, okay, you may need to know what you need to differentiate what is population and also sample. Okay, just very clear cut. Population means overall. Okay, everyone in. Okay, so the clue or the keywords will be all. Okay, and if let's say you have groups and so on, so this will be the samples involved. Okay, so I'm sure that you know that population is bigger than the samples involved. Okay, okay, so what is census? Okay, census is a survey that includes every members of the population. Okay, so this is the explanation. Okay, okay, summary measure. Okay, if the question said what is parameter, so your answer will be summary measure about population. Okay, if the question said what is statistics, okay, so it will be summary measure about the sample involved. Okay, very clear cut. Okay, data sources. Now, data sources here you have two. Okay, one is primary data, another one will be secondary data. Okay, so how is supposed to interpret? Okay, now this kind of question that have a few. Okay, true and false is one kind, structure question is one kind. Okay, another one will be the explanation, okay, or definition. Okay, so how is supposed to explain? Okay, so this is how it works. Primary data is from primary sources, full stop. For example, let's say you choose one, observation, full stop. The advantage is the data collected are accurate. The disadvantage is more expensive on the expenses involved. Okay, that's all. How I explain for secondary data then? Secondary data is from other sources. For example, annual report. You just get one example enough, full stop. The advantage is not expensive on the expenses. The disadvantage is not accurate because from other sources. The data is not accurate because taken from other sources. Just like that. So just the alternate one. See? Just the alternate. So far okay? Okay, let us proceed. Okay, I think I just stop here first. The rest I will continue with the second video. Thank you.